up with the good. Pull up bougie in the hood. Yeah, I'ma give you what you want. Nigga, I'm a boss. Nigga, I'm a boss. Play me, nigga. Never that'll be a loss. So don't be trying to talk.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Za'Morian. I'm back with another video, and for today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys my 2018 curly hair routine. I'm not gonna be showing you guys my whole shower thing because I feel like I do that in a lot of videos and I don't want to be very like repetitive, so I'm just gonna be going straight to the clip of me when I get out of the shower and show you guys what I use in the shower and everything like that. So if you are a new subscriber, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, if you are a returning subscriber, what's poppin', girl? You already know what we finna do. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, so now that I'm out of the shower, I didn't film the whole part of me washing my hair and all that kind of stuff in the shower because I feel like I've done that in a lot of other videos and I feel like it's like super repetitive. So for this video, I just cut that part out, but I am going to show you guys what I use in the shower. And it's this Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter Detangling Shampoo. It's for curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair. This smells so freaking good. I love this so freaking much. Like I've been using it a lot recently. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of like right here. Right here. So this is my second bottle that I've used of this, and I really like it. It smells really good, and I usually use this when I have been really neglecting my hair and I've just been rocking buns and ponytails and I haven't been really taking care of it and combing it. So in this case, that's what I've been doing, and that's why I decided to use this for this video. This is what I use in the shower. I did my normal thing. I got in there, I detangled, and I washed. So this is what my hair is looking like, and if you ever see me kind of looking here, it's because I have a mirror right here, so that's kind of like guiding me so I can see myself because I'm not in the bathroom like usual, because I wanted to kind of be more talkative with you guys. Anywho, yeah, this is what my hair is looking like right now. I don't have any product in it. Like I said, I'm going to be adding the conditioner here for you guys right now. And when I get out of the shower, I always use my Tubby Twist, I think that's how you say it, Tubby Twist towels. I have like three different colors of these, beige and pink, and then this turquoise bluish one. I got these all from Walmart for $5. They're microfiber towels. If you don't know already, microfiber towels are probably one of the best type of towels to use, especially for curly heads, naturals, because using a towel like this is very damaging. I mentioned this in a lot of other videos. About a year and a half ago, I started using microfiber towels, and they're really beneficial, and it helps like not create a lot of frizz. They're just better for your hair overall, you know. So that's why I started using these instead of these. Okay. So normally when I first get out of the shower, this is basically what my hair is looking like. Again, I have no product in it right now. This is just its natural state. And I'm going to be adding in some conditioner. So as far as conditioner, this is what I've been hooked to. I did an entire video on this entire line and gave you the ups, the downs. But as far as everything out of this Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla line, I'm in love and addicted with the hydrating conditioner. Now, this is not a leave-in. It says to rinse it out, but me personally, I don't follow rules. So I have been using it as a leave-in lately, and I messes with it. So I'm basically just gonna squirt a little bit of that in my hair and just apply it all throughout. My hair is a little dry, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just add, because my hair dries super quick. I don't know if you can tell, but I literally just got out of the shower like 10 minutes ago and it's already like starting to fluff. If you can see, like, it's crazy. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I should have added this before I added the conditioner, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my spray bottle right here and just spritz my hair a little bit, just to add a little bit more water, to get my curl pattern popping. You know what I'm saying? So okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna go back to adding in the conditioner. And yeah, like I said, I did a whole review on this conditioner here, the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla, and I love it so much. Like it smells good. I don't like the spritz one, the one that you're actually supposed to be leaving in your hair. It's like this one right here. Like I mentioned in my video where I did a whole video on this one, I ain't messing with it. I don't like it. But yeah, I do like this one. It's very hydrating, and it has a lot of slip. That's another thing. Usually when I apply my my conditioners, and some of them don't have a lot of slip, but as you can see, this one has a lot of slip. Like it's just it just feels better on my hair overall, you know. And then I always keep a towel like this because I like to wipe all the hair off my hand. I don't know, I have this weird thing where I do that. I don't know why I do it, but I do it. Yeah, and I'm trying not to add so much, but I just want my hair to be hydrated. But I'm not gonna add a lot because you may think this is a lot, but I use way more than this. And the reason why I'm not gonna be using a lot of conditioner is because I do have other products to hold my curl and all that kind of stuff. So I don't really need to depend on the conditioner to give me definition, give me volume, and give me moisture. Even though the whole point of me putting conditioner in my hair is to give me moisture, but I have multiple different products that are gonna also add to the moisture that I want in my hair, if that kind of makes sense. So I'm just taking like 2 to 3 pumps and making sure I get it all throughout my hair and just moisturize it very, very well. So another thing that I like to do a lot whenever I'm adding in any product to my hair is just scrunch it. I end up scrunching it at the end, but just as I'm adding products, I like to scrunch because 1, this helps with my heat damage right here, and for 2, it helps define your curls because if you have a coil in your hair, so it's like a curl. So if you go like this, it's defining it and it's like forcing the hair to, how do I explain it? Like it's forcing the hair to crunch, to be more like curly, if that kind of makes sense. It really does help create curl definition and everything like that. So that's why I like doing that, especially to my front part here. I just take it and I scrunch it like this here in the front, or I'll even take some of my curling enhancing smoothie and I add that to there also. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do next. Now that I'm done adding in my conditioner, what I do during my normal curly hair routine is I go ahead and go in with a curl enhancing smoothie. I don't use a lot of curl enhancing smoothies because this one here by Shea Moisture, the coconut hibiscus one, works really, really good for my hair personally. So I've been using this for about 1.5 years now and I really like it. The consistency is kind of thick and it's like a cream base, not like a water based consistency. So that's a plus. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add, I don't add a lot simply because I don't want to put too many because I put a lot of products in my hair overall, so I don't want to be adding hecka like curl enhancing smoothie. So this is about how much I add for one side. I know it seems like little, but a little goes a long way. And that's what I'll do, just to put that all throughout my hair and just kind of moisturize that in. Like I said, scrunching is key. So once I'm done adding all this in my hair, I go ahead and scrunch again. I just start scrunching. Like I said, scrunching really, really helps make curl definition, as you can see. And scrunching is my life, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Okay, so now that I've added the curl enhancing smoothie to this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do it to this side also. Okay, so now that I'm done adding in the curl enhancing smoothie, I'm gonna go ahead and go to my curl styling milk. The curl styling milk that I use is this Quenching Coconut Curls Frizz Defining Curl Styling Milk. Lately I've been using their conditioner and their shampoo, but for this video I didn't use it. But normally I use that whole line because this one makes my hair smell super good. I don't add a lot in there, like I said, because I am adding a lot of products when I do my curly hair routine. So I'm not going to be adding a lot of this in there, but I'm going to add enough just to, one, curl and style my hair and like reduce the frizz and everything. So this is about how much I add to one side. I know y'all probably thinking like, girl, that ain't nowhere near enough. But what I do is when I add this in here, I don't take my fingers and run my hand through it like that. I just kind of go like this with it because I don't want to lose my curls, like my curl volume. And as you can see, my heat damage is already coming back, even though I've been scrunching it, but that's okay. But yeah, I just go like this when I add that product in there. And I make sure I get the back and all that in the front, but I kind of just rub my hands like this. So I just want to point out to you guys that the way that I minimize my heat damage here in the front, I scrunch after I apply every product just to keep it curled and everything. So if you guys look really closely right here, my heat damage is not as visible as it was in the beginning of the video. It's kind of starting to curl. That's why every time I add something in and this little piece think it's gonna drop, I'll be like, nope, we scrunching. Because if you keep scrunching it and get the curl to curl while it's wet, when it dries, it'll dry curled, if that kind of makes sense. It all just kind of depends on you know what I mean? Maybe your hair just won't do it, but for me, I don't have a lot of heat damage, so me scrunching this piece right here really does help, and it dries curled. And I'll show you guys once my hair dries and everything like that. But if I just keep scrunching it with my hand, or even grabbing a towel and just kind of, you know, like that, it'll hold that curl. Next product, I know y'all probably like, this is so many products, but the next product I've been hip to is this Wrap Me foaming, well, this is from Lotta Body, and this is a Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils. Wrap Me foaming mousse. I usually don't use mousses. Like, this is the first mousse I've ever used. But let me give you a little backstory on this product, right? Ew, a piece of hair is just flying off my finger. Let me give you a little backstory on this product right here. So the reason why I first started using this is because when I would do my feed-in braids on myself, or normal braids on my brother's hairs, or things like that, I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where people add like a foam or like a mousse to the braids after you braid them. So I was like, oh, let me just find out a mousse. And then this lady at my local beauty supply store, she put me on to this Lotta Body. She was like, everybody uses Lotta Body. It's really, really good mousse to use on your hair. And I told her what I was using it for, and she's like, oh yeah, check this out. So one day, I was like, okay, I was like, oh my god, I have like a lot of frizz in my hair. So I was like, let me just use this mousse, because I didn't have this at the time. I didn't have any conditioner at the time either. So I was like, let me just add this onto my hair. And y'all, I just dropped it. But y'all, this stuff really kept, it's like foaming. This stuff really kept my curls intact. And when I mean intact, they were intact. Like, I don't know, I really, really liked how it made my curls look. Even though I didn't add hecka in there, I kind of added it to like a ponytail that I wanted to kind of refresh that day. But it was looking, that ponytail was looking real dry, so I added this in there, and it literally transformed your girl's hair. Like, it just worked so well on my hair. So after that, this is my second bottle, and I've been buying it a lot lately, and I really like it, so I've been using it. But yeah, I use quite a lot of this because I don't know, I just feel like you have to put in a lot to make sure you coat all your curls. And I add this in here just the way I added my Curl and Style Milk. Just the way I add this one in, I add the Lotta Body in there. Because I don't want to lose any definition, so I just add it in like that. So the last thing that I like to do to my hair is my baby hairs, my edges, get those things fleeked up. I do that while it's wet because I like everything to just dry at one time. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Eco Styler gel. And I know I made a whole video talking about how Eco Styler gel is basically like bad for your hair and everything like that, but this is the same container, and I am gonna use this until it's gone. For me personally, I've never really had bad experiences with Eco Styler, so yeah, I'm just gonna use the rest of this, and then I am eventually gonna find a different gel to start using on my edges. I've seen a lot of different gels. Shea Moisture has one, I think, too, like a edge gel or something like that. So I am gonna probably expand my horizons and use something different. But this is the same bottle that I was showing you guys in the video, so don't say I'm a hypocrite, because I didn't say I was gonna stop using it, but I am saying it right now. But you get what I'm saying? Okay, anyways. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my Eco Styler. I'm gonna take my toothbrush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just dab it on the areas where I'm gonna be brushing and everything. Not really swooping yet, but just kind of adding it on here. And then I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can really see what I do. I just go ahead and start brushing any of the little hairs that are out down like this, and then swoop it. The same thing here. I go all the way with my baby hair, so if you're not really like extravagant on yours, don't do it how I'm doing it, but I go all the way, like my whole hairline. So normally the key thing, I'm just kidding, but the key thing that I do when I do my edges is I wrap them with like a silk scarf or something like that. But usually when I do my curly hair routine, I don't do that. But a good tip to do is to wrap your edges, like if you're doing like a sleek bun, to wrap your edges. That really holds the edges, like your baby hairs and everything, and throughout the day they won't get all like messed up. They'll stay how they are. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry. I don't diffuse, I don't all that kind of stuff, just simply because I just prefer not to diffuse or blow dry my hair. So I let it air dry, and I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you guys what my hair looks air dried when it's all dry and everything. And yeah. Okay guys, so now that I'm back, this is basically what my hair is looking like. As you can see, it kind of, right here where my heat damage is at, it kind of twirled a little bit, but you can still kind of see it, but that's okay. So yeah, I haven't plucked my hair out at all. This is basically what it's looking like right now. Now, usually once my hair fully it's 100% air dry, by the way. Like, yeah, it's pretty much air dried. So the next thing that I like to do is take a wide tooth comb and begin to pluck. I have an entire video on how I add volume to my hair and preserve my curls overnight. I'll leave it right here, or somewhere like that, and I'll also have it down in the description box. So yeah, so the way that I add volume to my hair, because maybe you like rocking your hair like this, but I like mine as big as I can without creating a lot of frizz and everything like that. So I take this comb and basically pluck it out. So what I'm gonna do is just start plucking my hair out like this, and I'm gonna do this side so you guys can see exactly the difference between this and this. And you can even look right now and kind of already see, like, just by me doing that little, it already like became big. So yeah, I'm just gonna pluck my hair out. You even want to kind of just open your hair up a little bit and kind of get in. I keep getting this comb stuck, but kind of get in between here also. Okay, so I just want to kind of show you guys what my hair looks like. This is plucked out, like, you know, picked out, and I keep saying plucked, picked out, and then this is not. So you can totally tell the difference between my hair. Like, look at that, that's crazy. Okay, so now that I've done this side, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the same thing to this side. And yeah, basically once I'm done plucking it like this, what I like to do is just flip my hair like this, upside down, and then begin to pick again. It's basically what my hair is looking like. And even sometimes, like, once I think I'm done, like, picking out my hair and everything, later on in the day, I'll even just take the comb again and just start picking even more. So you can just kind of pick to your liking. If you like it super big like me, then you're gonna continue to pick, and you're not gonna really care about frizz and everything like that. But for me, I pick a lot, but I don't pick too much to where I'm creating frizz and everything. So as you can see, like, my curl pattern is still there and it's still like vibrant and luscious. So yeah, I don't want to pick too much, but. And the reason why I'm picking more at the ends right here is just to create length and stretch my hair at the bottom so it looks kind of longer and not like, because sometimes, like, I feel like sometimes when people want definition, we tend to like, okay, definition, and then it shrinks. But for me personally, I like to have definition as like, I like to have definition within my hair, but also retain my length and not have a lot of shrinkage. That's why I don't mind a little bit of frizz. You see what I'm saying, kind of? So yeah, that's the reason why I like picking out my hair right here, like plucking it out down here. Okay guys, so this is basically the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is basically what my hair is looking like. I absolutely loved how how it came out and everything. My curls look really good, like really good. So yeah, if you guys liked all the products that I had featured in this video, do not forget to check the description box because I'll have all that stuff down there. And I'll also have a video in the description box on how I add volume to my hair and how I preserve my curls overnight. I do have a video on that, and it's like more in depth, and I'm kind of explaining why I do these kind of things and all that. So if you do want to see that video, look in the description box or look right here. And that's basically it. This is what my hair is looking like. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Northern California. Hey, they better call a paramedic in the street. I got leverage in the street. I'm a California nigga and I'm heavy in the streets. 22 or 23, I'm heavy with the heat.